How to delete search history on YouTube. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and make sure that you are signed in with the account whose search history you want to delete. Now tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here you will see the option for manage all history under the account tab. So tap on the manage all history option you see there, and now in this particular interface, simply go ahead and tap on the delete drop down you see there. You will then see a few options. So go ahead and select if you want to delete only the history of today, or if you want to delete the history for custom range, or if you want to delete all your history. I will select delete today for today's tutorial. And with this, as you can see, the history has been deleted. So this was about how you can delete history on YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.